Have you ever stopped to ponder the immense power and potential of artificial intelligence? Imagine a world where machines not only mimic human intelligence but also enhance it, creating a future that's not just a projection of what we know, but a leap into what we have yet to discover. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's more commonly known, is not just a futuristic concept. It's a rapidly evolving technology that's already shaping our world. Think about it. Every time you ask your smart speaker a question, every time your email filters out spam, every time your phone camera automatically focuses on a face, you're interacting with AI. It's in these small moments and in grand world-changing applications that we see the astonishing potential of artificial intelligence. Now let's talk about exponential technological growth. The power of technology doesn't increase in a linear fashion, but rather it doubles, triples, and quadruples in a short span of time. This acceleration is driving us towards a point of singularity, a time when artificial intelligence could surpass human intelligence. It's an idea that's both exhilarating and terrifying. And the sectors that could be revolutionized by AI are numerous. Consider healthcare, where AI could streamline diagnosis, treatment, and even preventative care. Imagine an education system where personalized learning is not just a luxury, but the norm. Picture transportation that's safer and more efficient thanks to autonomous vehicles. And envision an economy that's more robust because of AI's ability to analyze data and predict trends. However, as we stand on the brink of this AI-driven future, it's worth remembering that these are not just possibilities, but realities taking shape right in front of our eyes. And while these developments promise a future of incredible convenience and efficiency, they also raise questions about privacy, job displacement, and even what it means to be human. But what if AI's potential goes beyond our wildest imaginations? As we delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, we must prepare ourselves for a future that promises to be as thrilling as it is uncertain. Imagine a world where diseases are detected even before symptoms appear. This is not science fiction, but a reality AI is making possible. Let's dive into a concrete example of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare. Consider the battle against cancer, a disease that has been a formidable opponent for decades. Early detection of cancer can dramatically increase the chances of survival, but the challenge is in identifying it at its initial stages. Now, let's bring AI into the picture. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is proving to be a game changer. It involves training computer algorithms to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. So, how does this apply to healthcare? Well, imagine feeding an AI system with thousands upon thousands of medical images, MRI scans, X-rays, and more, some of which are from patients with cancer and some from patients without. The AI system is trained to recognize patterns and differences between these images. Over time, it becomes adept at identifying the subtlest signs of cancer, often far earlier than a human doctor could. Data analysis, another crucial aspect of AI, also plays a pivotal role here. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, AI can identify risk factors and patterns that might indicate a higher likelihood of developing a disease. This could allow for preventive measures to be taken even before the disease manifests. This is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in complex surgical procedures. The potential of AI in healthcare is immense, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface. With continued advancements, we can anticipate a future where AI not only aids in disease detection, but also plays a crucial role in prevention, treatment, and overall patient care. Indeed, the future of healthcare is promising with the advent of AI. Scene script. Have you ever dreamt of a world without traffic jams or even accidents? AI is steering us towards that reality. Let's take a journey through a case study that demonstrates how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the transportation sector. One of the most prominent examples of this is the development of autonomous vehicles. Picture this: you're in a car, but there's no driver. The vehicle is navigating the roads, obeying traffic laws, and making complex decisions all on its own. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a reality being shaped by AI. Autonomous vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, radars, and AI to understand their environment and make informed decisions. They can detect obstacles, recognize traffic signs, and even predict the behavior of other road users. This technology has the potential to significantly reduce accidents, as human error is responsible for a majority of them. But it's not just about safety. Autonomous vehicles also promise to improve efficiency and reduce congestion. By communicating with each other and coordinating their movements, these vehicles could optimize traffic flow, reducing the time we spend stuck in traffic. However, the road to autonomous driving is not without its bumps. There are significant challenges to overcome. For one, the technology is still in its infancy and requires extensive testing to ensure its safety. There's also the question of ethics and responsibility. Who is to blame if an autonomous vehicle is involved in an accident? And let's not forget the impact on jobs, as many people rely on driving for their livelihood. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles are too great to ignore. From reducing accidents to improving traffic flow and even lowering carbon emissions, the impact of AI on transportation could be profound. With AI at the wheel, the future of transportation is set for a major overhaul. While the potential of AI is undeniable, it also raises important questions about ethics and job displacement. Is AI a double-edged sword? Indeed, as AI continues to push the boundaries of what is technologically possible, it also presents us with a series of complex challenges. On one hand, we have the marvel of machine learning, capable of transforming industries and revolutionizing our daily lives. On the other hand, however, we see the looming threat of job displacement due to automation. Consider the manufacturing sector, for instance. Robots programmed with AI can work non-stop, never tire, and are more precise and consistent than their human counterparts. This efficiency is great for business, but not so great for the factory worker whose job might be at risk. And it's not just manual labor. Even highly skilled professions like law, finance, and medicine are seeing the encroachment of AI. Algorithms can now analyze legal documents, manage portfolios, and even diagnose diseases, often faster and more accurately than humans can. But job displacement is just one side of the coin. There are also pressing ethical considerations to be taken into account. One of the most prominent among these is the issue of data privacy. AI systems often require vast amounts of data to function effectively, and this data is frequently personal and sensitive. The question then arises, how do we ensure that this data is being used responsibly and not for nefarious purposes? Then there's the issue of algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from the data they are fed. If this data is biased, the AI will be too, perpetuating and even amplifying existing inequalities and prejudices. So, as we marvel at the wonders of AI, we must also pause to consider the potential pitfalls. It's not about halting progress, but about ensuring that progress is equitable and sustainable. We need to think about how we can harness the power of AI while mitigating its potential downsides. As we embrace AI, we must also grapple with these important questions. The future of AI is not a distant reality. It is happening right now. We've journeyed through the realms of imagination and witnessed the transformative power of artificial intelligence in healthcare and transportation. We've seen how AI can be a double-edged sword, capable of both tremendous benefit and potential peril. As AI continues to evolve, it's not just about the machines and algorithms, it's about us. It's about how we use this technology, how we steer its course, and how we mitigate its risks. It's about understanding AI, not as a separate entity, but as an integral part of our society, our lives, and our future. The age of artificial intelligence is not coming. It is here. It is now. And with it comes a responsibility to shape it into a tool that benefits all, rather than a few. The future of AI is not just about technology, it's about shaping the kind of world we want to live in.